Hey guys, so the new GPT-5 model is finally out, and yeah, it looks really promising. So I tested a little bit with the GPT-5 model, and yeah, I must say, yeah, it is really good, and the research is really on point, and what you can create with this. So here I am right now on the official announcement page of OpenAI. Here you can see the video. What you can do, deep research. You can code with this, and it's really amazing. And also, yeah, of course, you can use GPT-5 for your business, and this is what I want to show you in this video. So if you are right now struggling a little bit with your business, or you are searching for ways to get more clients, to get more customers, or you need general business advice, this GPT-5 makes it really easy. And yeah, this is what I want to show you. So I developed a prompt. Oh, by the way, I will put this this page, or the link to the page, in the video description down below. So if you want to see everything here, want to read everything, a smarter way, more widely useful model, you can code, you can create games, for example, by simply put in simple code with plain English. Then yeah, it creates cool games if you want to do this. But yeah, I will put the link to this page in the video description down below, so you can read everything in detail. But yeah, what I want to show you is how you can utilize GPT-5 for your business growth or for your personal career. And yeah, then let's jump to my ChatGPT. ChatGPT now has our smartest, fastest, more useful model yet, which thinking built in, so you get the best answer every time. Yeah, sound great. And yeah, I want to input a custom prompt. Let me grab the prompt here real quick. So I made a prompt here, and also I will give you the prompt, or you can download the prompt by visiting my LinkedIn page. I will put also the URL to this LinkedIn page, or the article page, in the video description down below, so you can check it out. And here's the full prompt. So you can simply copy the prompt. So outline a personalized number week career growth roadmap for me. I am a web designer looking to the career goals, and so on and so on. Let me paste this in. So I already filled in my personal data here. So you can see outline a personalized 8-week career growth roadmap for me. I'm a German web designer looking to get more jobs or find more potential clients. I feel stressed out and overwhelmed about my next personal steps and need personal advice. Consider current market conditions in web design industry in Germany. My optimal workflow style is remote work, freelancing for clients in Germany in any business niches, any business niche. I am unclear on my strength and market positions. First, help me identifying my transferable skills and unique value propositions, assess my current situation, and so on and so forth. And then we will give them, or we will tell GPT that he can ask us some question to develop the personalized roadmap. Yeah, like I said, the full prompt I developed is on my LinkedIn page, link in the description down below, or in this article. I will put the link in the video description. Then yeah, so then let's fire this prompt, and let's see what the new GPT-5 model comes up with. So, and also, if we want to use deep thinking, then we could also activate deep thinking here. But of course, deep thinking takes a little bit longer, and this is why I don't want to use this in this video right now, because then this would be too long. But here you can see personalized 8-week career growth roadmap. So our goal is to secure more German-based remote freelance web design project in diverse niches without feeling salesy or desperate. Then here are the quick wins. So this is our personalized roadmap. So in whatever niche you are in, you can fill this out, and then GPT will develop your own career growth path. And also, yeah, you can ask follow-up questions and so on. But let's see what GPT gave us here. So quick wins for week 1. Momentum boost. Update your portfolio with 2 to 3 standout projects. Then we have a reach out to 3 past or existing clients. And yeah, so when I think this is a good idea when we follow this career growth map. But yeah, let's see what happened here. Then join one high quality German freelance design community. Slack, LinkedIn groups, or Xing. Then week 1 to 2, self-assessments and visions. Objective: clarify your unique value propositions. Strengths: inventory, list technical skills. WordPress, Elementor, WooCommerce, and so on. Then transferable skills you might be undervalue: SEO, UX design, ability to work with no technical business owners in plain language, multi-device, market research, identify 3 to 4 sectors still actively investing in web design, craft your UVP. Then we have the week 3 to 4, and yeah, so on and so forth. But I think, yeah, this is a really good idea. So yeah, you can test it out, and here you can see we will get all the weeks and our detailed roadmap. And yeah, I think this is a really cool idea. And also you can, of course, be more specific, or yeah, ask any questions to GPT, or even activate the deep thinking mode, so that you will get more insight of your industry, whatever industry you are in. And here are the next step for personalization. Here you can see now we will get some questions. Which design tool skills do you currently use mostly? Then we can specify this here. Have you worked in specific industries before where you have insider knowledge? Then yeah, the more questions we answer here, or the more details we give here, of course, then the more detailed and more outlined, in-depth our roadmap will get. And yeah, you can take this as far as you want. And yeah, so I think, yeah, that's it for the video. So this is what I want to show you, and I will play around a little bit more with GPT-5, and also with all the coding and creation of unique applications and so on. And then I will keep you posted on my progress I make with checking out the new GPT-5 model. And yeah, if you find that interesting, then simply go to my LinkedIn page, or go to the LinkedIn article, all the links in the video description down below, and check it out and play around with this for yourself. And yeah, so that's it for the video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found the video informative. And if you did, then yeah, please press the thumb up button. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator. And yeah, every subscription, every thumbs up counts for me. And yeah, then that's it. So thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.